It's the White as Snow Cricut Mystery Box. Meet White Cricut Cutie. This mystery box is not available yet unless you're watching this on February 23rd. It will be available sometime on February 23rd. And there's lots of different things in this one. There will be a link in the description of this video to take you right to the mystery box. I will send out an email to everybody on my email list when it is available. So make sure you sign up for that email list in the description below. It's completely free. First thing is tools. You get the spatula and scraper. You can never have enough of these. I use them all the time. I'm always losing the scraper too. If you watch my videos, you know that. Where'd my scraper go? Here's another one. A beautiful one in lilac, and the spatula in mint. Everyday collection of Cricut pens. These work in the Explorer and the Maker, not the Joy. There is a variety. I don't know if you can see that. The silver and gold are in medium, and the black are in fine. You can never have enough pens. This is a 10-pack. You get window cling. This window cling has no adhesive on it, but it sticks to windows. This is frosted window cling. So this is really amazing. You could even put this on a bathroom window if you don't want anybody to see in. You don't even need a Cricut to cut that. But you can make snowflakes, and you can just make really pretty designs like these to put on mirrors or windows or anything you want. If you want more privacy and want to block out a window with a design, this will be it. It's so pretty. And you get 4 feet of it. It's 12 by 48 inches. Glitter iron-on mesh. This is so cool. Strong bond. This is 12 by 19 inches in the color of white. Iron-on everyday mosaic. We have squares. So this gives a really cool look, and you can cut words out and things out with the squares. Can you guess the color? Yes, it's white. And we have Martha Stewart cardstock in white. There are 20 12 by 12 sheets of white cardstock. You can never have too much white cardstock. Another pack of Martha Stewart. This comes with ivory cardstock, white cardstock, and acetate, and premium vinyl permanent in mosaic circles in silver. Kind of looks like chrome. Here's some examples of it here. Put it on a jar. This looks really cool. Now, if you are a premium access member, you get 20% off this box and 20% off any other mystery boxes and 20% off materials. My discount code does not work on this box, but you have to have access, just standard access, in order to purchase a mystery box with the Cricut Cutie in it. So it's a benefit for those of us that have access is we get a Cutie. If we don't have access, we can't purchase the Cricut Cutie mystery boxes. This is not a subscription. There is a link in the description where you can buy it when it's available. They sell out really fast. This is limited. So make sure you join my email list and watch for my email tomorrow so you know when this mystery box is available. You also get these blades. These blades will work great with paper products. Some people have trouble with these cutting through vinyl, that it will cut through the backing. So I'm just giving you a warning. They threw in these blades, but they will work on paper just great. But this is an amazing mystery box. Don't miss out on getting the white Cricut Cutie. There's the back. It says Cutie. He's so cute. I'll see you tomorrow at noon for a new project, and Thursday night at 8 p.m. Eastern times. Bye.